Yeah, hi. I'm Sandhya from Hyse Non-IT HRM. I would like to explain non-IT clients today. So we are working for present 5 clients. Uh, so first is we are working for Teleperformance, Axis Process for DVO and DRM. So Axis Bank is hiring for DVO and DRM, Digital Officer and Digital Relationship Manager. So graduation is must for these positions, and the candidate should be done with the 2 doses of vaccination, and the candidate should undergo AMCAT test, and they need AMCAT ID during the interview. So they can take test on their own, or they can take the test during the interview. The role is a digital officer, but the work is they will be designated as agent role. So the work responsibility is calling existing customers for Axis Bank. Coming to timings, like shift timings is 9 to 6, and there is a pickup and drop facility. So coming to pay scale, freshers they will get 13,000 CTC plus incentives, and there is a other benefits like PF and ESI. Coming to experience, they will get like 20,000 per month. And coming to digital relationship manager, DRM, designation is digital relationship manager, but they will work for agent role. The graduation is must, and the candidate should be thorough with the 3 languages: English, Telugu, and Hindi. There is only one round of interview. They will check the strong communication skills. The candidate should possess strong communication skills. And coming to package, it is 17,000 take home salary for fresher, and experienced 23,000 take home salary, and experience salary may be like negotiable based on the previous experience, and based on the pay slip. The location is in Pocharam. Both DVO and DRM, they have to take the AMCAT test. They can take the test on the self, and they can take the test while during the interview. The candidate should carry Xerox certificates of all the educational certificates, and if the candidate is of experience, they have to carry the payslip, experience certificate along with, and the relieving certificate. As it is the immediate joining position, the candidate should carry relieving certificate for the interview. And the vaccination of 2 doses is must, and the candidate should carry the certificate to enter the interview panel. So that is for Axis Bank. Coming to next client, Niva Bupa Health Insurance. They are looking for health insurance counselors, senior health insurance counselors, and junior health insurance counselors. Location, they have vacancies for Hyderabad and Bangalore. Coming to package, they're offering 3.5 to 4.5 lakhs per annum for freshers and experience. Experience salary is negotiable based on the previous experience and the pay slips. The qualification, any degree. They have 2 rounds of interview. The first is telephonic. They will check the communication skills. If the candidate is good, they will select the candidate through the first round. If the candidate, like if they have anything like to discuss or anything, they will ask the candidate to come to the office. Uh, they are looking for the candidate who have positive attitude and interpersonal skills. For this, graduation is must. The only communication that's based on strong, they will check only com skills. Coming to third client, it's Sriras Jewelers. Location is Secunderabad. They are looking for the inside sales. They have only criteria like the candidate should be good looking, and the age should be less than 30, and the candidate should have the strong communication skills as a based in their regional language as well, English and Hindi. The salary is coming to salary 15,000 take home for freshers, and it is 18 to 20,000 for the experience. Location Hyderabad. And our next client is Jestile. Jestile is hiring for 3 roles. One is telemarketing executive. Their criteria is should be willing to work from office, a good communication skills in English and Telugu. Education, the graduation is mandatory for the candidate. If if the candidate is having MBA as a post graduation, it will be like added advantage. And the candidate should be communicate correctly and clearly with the customers. Coming to CTC for telemarketing executive, it is 2,16,000 per annum plus incentives plus insurance coverage plus gratitude. These are all the other benefits where the candidate can gain. And coming to second role for the Jesdale is also hiring for a BDE, a business development executive for sales and marketing. For this, they are only hiring male candidates. So male candidates only eligible for this position. Coming to qualification, as any graduate or post-graduate, like MBA is the added advantage for the candidate. Location, they have vacancies across Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Coming to CTC, for freshers, they're offering 20K to 25K per month. If it is for main city, Hyderabad, including excluding incentives, insurance coverage plus gratitude. And for freshers, for remote cities, they're offering 17K to 23K per month plus incentives plus gratitude plus insurance coverage. And they're also hiring for IRO, Information Retrieval Officer, for voice operation. For that, they are looking for the candidate who have strong com skills in 3 languages, English, Hindi, and Telugu. It is must and mandatory requirement. They are looking for both full-time and part-time. Part-time, it is 5 hours, and coming to full-time, candidate has to work for 9 hours. It is like rotational shift. There is rotational shifts, no night shifts for females. You can hire both males and females, but for females, there is no night shift. Salary for part-time holders, it is 1,20,000 per annum, and for full-timers, it is 1,98,000 per annum, plus insurance coverage, plus and other benefits. They also have other benefits like ESI, PF, etc. So both males and females are eligible for this role, and the minimum qualification for this role, IRO, is any inter and above. And our other client is HDFC. HDFC is hiring for on-roll jobs. They have vacancies for 2 locations, Hafizpet and Hapsiguda. The role is home loans, lab, and mortgage services. Qualification is any degree. They are looking for BBM, BBA, and BCom, but any degree candidates are eligible for this role. And postgraduates also, MBA, PGDM, and MMS are all eligible for this position. Coming to salary, they are offering 1.6 lakhs per annum to 2.2 lakhs per annum. They are hiring both freshers and experience. And experience salary can they can go for the negotiations based on the previous experience they have and the pay slips. So these are all the clients we are working for. Thank you. These are all the non-IT clients we are working for.